May kaibigan ka bang nag-cheer sa'yo pero may halo yatang insecurity? I'm a psychologist at quick reflection lang. Yung nagsasabi ng, uy, congrats, pero may hirit na parang may kompetensya, no? At sa psychology, ito ay social comparison. Normal ito, pero nagiging harmful siya kapag hindi sila secure sa sarili nila to the point na nakaka-damage na sa friendship, no? Or sa relationships. Minsan, they're not competing because ayaw kanila. They are competing because they don't feel enough. And people who feel threatened by your growth will struggle to celebrate you genuinely. No? A real friend claps for you and not competes with you. Kaya lang minsan, gusto niyang maging totoong kaibigan talaga pero may sarili rin siyang unpleasant experiences. Kayo ba, kwento niyo naman kung meron kayong ganitong experience.